Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fractions, specifically focusing on how to convert the fraction 5/8 to a decimal. Converting fractions to decimals is a fundamental math skill that can be surprisingly handy in everyday life. To convert the fraction 5/8 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 5/8 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 5 by 8. The answer we get is 0.625. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 5 as the dividend and 8 as the divisor. Since 8 doesn't fit into 5, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 5, making it 50. How many times does 8 go into 50? Exactly 6 times. We write 6 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 6 by 8 gives us 48. When we subtract 48 from 50, we get a remainder of 2. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 20. How many times does 8 go into 20? It goes in 2 times, which we write next to the 6 in our quotient, giving us 0.62. Multiplying 8 by 2 gives us 16. We subtract 16 from 20 to get a remainder of 4. We add another 0, getting 40. Now, how many times does 8 go into 40? Exactly 5 times. We add this 5 to our quotient, making it 0.625. Multiplying 8 by 5 gives us 40. When we subtract 40 from 40, we get 0, with no remainder. So, there we have it. The fraction 5/8 converted to a decimal is 0.625. This conversion process is straightforward and shows how we can turn any fraction into a decimal for easy understanding and use in various applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. For more math tips and conversion guides, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.